inputs on the broadcast. Congress versus Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. We have some inside scoop on Congress's next move, on the opposition's next move. We're given to understand that the Congress MPs will submit a no-trust motion. Congress MPs have met Lok Sabha Secretary General. They are ready with signatures. 118 MPs have signed the no-trust motion against Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. Pragya continues to be with us. So the next step is clear. While on one hand you have assurances coming in that the House would be allowed to function from 2 p.m. This is the inside scoop on Congress's no-trust motion. 180 MPs have signed, Pragya.
Absolutely, Swati, except TMC, all India Alliance partners have signed this. In fact, there are 118 signatures on this, and there are also 14 days to be given to prove this. And in fact, Congress also and opposition parties also know they don't have number, but this is more of a symbolic gesture from all the India Alliance partners. But they have finally submitted this no confidence motion to Secretary General of Lok Sabha against Speaker Mr. Om Birla. K. Suresh and Mohammad Javed had given this particular notice to Secretary General, and we are given to understand that they are going to take this forward as well. Samajwadi Party, be it DMK, all have signed on it. They were in accordance with the India Alliance ideology against a speaker and statement that have come from them against speaker. Since past few days. We are given to understand that 118 signatures are there on the particularly no confidence motion that has been given to Secretary General. But it is yet to be seen how this is going to impact the proceedings of the House. Now that they have given, it is their right. It has been admitted. If there are 50 MPs who stand and say that we want to debate on that, let's see how this pans out. Whether this will be, they don't have numbers, so this can be passed. But this is more of a symbolic, and this is what they have been speaking, for past 2 days against Speaker. Despite the conversation that they had with the Speaker.
Well, the assurance came in yesterday as well, and then we saw what transpired. Pragya, stay on with us. We'll keep coming back to you. For the moment, we're slipping